take a look at installing Plex on Unraid. I just solved the problem with my Unraid server. I was having an issue. I can read from it, I can connect to it, but I couldn't write to it. After going through the motions, I exhausted all avenues before replacing the NIC. That was the problem. The NIC, it crapped itself, whatever. It just wouldn't let me write at all. I got a write error every time. So far my server been up 4 hours and 4 minutes. It's working on the parity sync right now. It's 57% finished. Let's look at the shares. You see here, I have my media share already set up. Where I keep my movies, music. This transcode folder is here from the previous installation of Plex, and my TV shows folder. I did everything to because I don't like replacing hardware because it's pretty expensive, but I did everything, even the USB stick. I even deleted it, redid it. And some of you probably wondering if I did that, my disk would have been formatted. Nah, if it's already in FXS format with data on it, it won't format it. It'll just import it in with the data still intact. So I didn't lose any data, but I did lose all my plugins, VMs, Dockers, etc. With that said, let's go to the Docker tab. And like I said, we will be installing Plex. Scroll down and get the flavor of your choice. I like to go with the official version. Just click here, install. Here, host 2, container path, transcode. Actually, we already have a folder, so we can just go ahead and navigate to it. It's inside of media, and then go transcode, and just click save. Path 3 is container to data. Actually, that one does not exist, but I do know where I want it, in the media folder. So just select media, click save, and that's where it will put the folder. Scroll down and hit apply. That's all you have to do. It's very simple. But there is one problem I have. I don't know if it's unique to the official app or it's just my setup, but we'll cross that road when we get to it. Now with that complete, we just go ahead and hit done and head over to the Docker tab. We see Plex Media Server here already running. Click on it and click Web UI. And here you could create a user account or sign into a previous user account that you already have. I already have one, so I will go ahead and just sign in. Hmm. Did it already do it for me? Let's see. Yes, it did. I like that. Yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I did have a previous instance of Plex on here, so it's using the previous settings, so I don't have to import everything. My movies just shows up. With you just installing Plex, this will not happen for you. You will get a screen more like this one to add libraries to your Plex server. Like I was mentioning earlier, I was having an issue with my media folder not being accessible on this menu. As you see here, you don't see it. You do see a media folder, but it's not the one you think it is. Click on it, and it is empty. Go back, and you don't see at all. Here, you don't see it at all. How to fix that? It is pretty easy. So what we want to do is close this tab, stop Plex, edit, go down and click this option here, add another path, port, variable, label, or device. What we're going to be adding is a path. I'm just going to go ahead and name this path source. Container path. I'm just gonna, what is it? I think it's backslash. I think it's / media path host. Let's go to the media folder and add it here. So we have now we have a new path called source, and it's pointed towards our media folder. I don't know why I can't access it in Plex before, but that's just the way it was. So apply, wait for the container to update, hit done. Plex has started back up. Let's go ahead and hit web UI. I don't know, I think I went too soon. There we go. Settings, scroll down to library and click add library. Click on movies, add folders, browse for media folder. And you see here, we have media now. And if you click on it, we have the movies, music, transcode, and TV shows. Now we can add what we want when we want. Click, let's just do this one. Click add to library. You see it adding the second time, but it's already added here. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one because I only need to add it once. But that's pretty much how you why did this come back? And that's pretty much how you add libraries to Plex server when it's not showing up on the list originally. If you have any questions or need additional information, please let me know. Just ask it down in the comments. I answer all questions and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel this video is not quite up to par, or you just a plain hater, dislike this video and leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I welcome constructive criticism. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. I am very social, and I like to stream on Twitch. Links are in the description. Thank you.